The first universal law is the law of free will. We all chose to come here. We actually chose our birth. Whether you believe it or not, you chose your parents, you chose your birth, you chose your circumstances, because on a soul level, we all knew that this was the exact experience that we would need to grow and evolve to our greatest soul expression in this life. What an amazing idea, right? So many times we had challenges and different things that happened from the beginning of life, and we could feel like a victim. Like, why me, right? Like, why did I have to have the situation that I had? Like, for example, my story was very challenging in the beginning. My mother lost her mind when I was 6 years old. Schizophrenia, drug addiction, alcohol addiction. She completely lost her mind when I was 6 years old, and she never got it back. So I ended up growing up in foster homes. So in the beginning of my life, I had a lot of tragedy, you could say, also a lot of trauma. But the unique thing that happened for me was that as I grew older, it revealed itself in various ways. But what I noticed was there was always this universal law of free will undercurrent throughout it all. So I was able to choose every single day, am I going to choose happiness or am I going to choose depression? Am I going to choose to rise up or am I going to choose to stay at the bottom of the barrel? However you want to look at that. So every single day we have this opportunity, this choice to rise up and to be our best version of ourselves. So the law of free will is the understanding that we all get to choose every single day and every single moment what we do, the path that we take, and how we are aligning with our greatest version of ourselves and our destiny.
Click subscribe, click like, leave a comment, say hello. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Namaste.